Very good morning to all. Our next country in our tour program after London, the United Kingdom, is Holland. We left for Harwich Harbour from London Eye to board a cruise ship from the south of England. It took nearly 2.5 hours to reach harbour. After getting clearance from Immigration Office of Harwich International Port, we boarded the cruise ship around 8 p.m. The ferry service is one of the world's largest in United Kingdom. The super ferry has 5.5 kilometers of hard deck space and it can carry 230 cars and 300 freight vehicles. Our luxury bus coach was also parked in the deck space, so we continued our journey in the same bus in Holland also. The ferry has 538 cabins. The facilities such as restaurants, 2 bars, buffet, children's playroom, cinema, teenager area, a media room filled with magazines and newspapers, a news room, internet corner and free Wi-Fi are all available in the ship. Though all these facilities are available, we are not able to see all because of paucity of time. We have only seen restaurant, buffet corner, internet room and car deck space. The ferry reached the Hook of Holland Harbour at 8 a.m. Before that, we have finished our breakfast at 6:30 a.m. in cruise ship in Big Buffet Hall. After clearing immigration, we left for Amsterdam, Netherlands. The Netherlands, informally known as Holland, is a country primarily located in Western Europe. The official name of the country is the Kingdom of Netherlands. It is a small country. Holland is so beautiful in all seasons. The Netherlands is having a lot of large and small lakes. The Netherlands is located in northwest Europe between Germany in the east, Belgium in the south, and the United Kingdom and North Sea in the northwest. The inhabitants are called the Dutch. The country's official language is Dutch. The sovereign state and the official name of the country is the Kingdom of Netherlands. The country has a traditional long records of social tolerance and spending nature of people. The Netherlands ranks among the highest in international indexes of press freedom, economic freedom, human development and quality of life as well as happiness. The icons like the palace, bulb fields, windmills, cheese markets, church, wooden shoes, canals of Amsterdam and innovative water management are all famous there. The Netherlands capital is Amsterdam, which is known for its artistic heritage, elaborate canal system and narrow houses with habit facades. It is the country's most popular city, even though the capital of Netherlands is Amsterdam, but the court, parliament and government administrative offices are all in Den Haag. The Netherlands hosts several intergovernmental organizations and international courts, many of which are centered in The Hague. We left from Holland Harbour around 9 a.m. and reached Rotterdam at 10:30 a.m. On the way, we have seen some windmills which are famous in Holland. The Madura Dam is 70 kilometers from Amsterdam. When we reached Madura Dam, rain welcomed us. Madura Dam is the smallest city in the Netherlands. Madura Dam was founded in 1952 as a war memorial and fundraiser for good causes. It is named after the war hero George Maduro. His parents donated the startup capital for Madura Dam, a living memorial of their son. Madura Dam has a real city council and aldermen who are all children. Every year, Madura Dam donates its profits to the projects that inspire children to be good people. Their aim is to encourage children to connect with other people regardless of their age and background to make the Netherlands better together. As children, they can play an important role in society by helping those around them. Since 1952, Madura Dam has donated nearly 35 million euros to charities between 6 and 7 lakh euros a year. Madura Dam is a miniature park and a major tourist attraction in The Hague. The miniature have been constructed to a scale of 1:25 ratio, whereas the tulips and giant football are precisely 25 into bigger, which represents model replicas of famous Dutch landmarks, historical cities, and large developments. It has several attractions. The miniatures and their stories come to life in Madura Dam. There is much to see, experience, and do. Let me feel immensely happy to explain certain features of miniatures. Dome Tower. The Dome Tower is the highest church tower in the Netherlands. Construction of this Gothic building took 61 years and was completed in 1382. The church tower still remains today. The tower replica is worth to see in the miniature park. The Netherlands is famous for windmills. The Ginderjik windmills have been on the UNESCO World Heritage List since 1997. We have seen a very small and model windmill in miniature bark which fascinated us to a large extent. Touch water management is an extraordinary feat of engineering. In the event of storm, the doors of this flood defense will be closed to protect the Netherlands from water. Otherwise, the doors remain open to maintain the flow of salt water and the tides. The splendid tiny structure of this water management in miniature bark has attracted all of us. The Peace Palace, the seat of the International Council of Justice, is located in The Hague, and the International City of Peace, Justice and Security. It was built in 1913 and was a gift from Carnegie, the American-style Diagon, which was displayed in the miniature park. Just a replica of very small structure of that building. It is really very amazing and beautiful. We have seen country's highlights of all in one place. A model village in miniature form is an excellent one to see and enjoy. The miniature form of boats, buses, trucks, trains, cargo ships, airport, aeroplanes, windmills, cheese markets, and canal houses are all worth seeing in Madura Dam. The miniature park is an amusement park which provided us a perfect combination of historical heritage, amusement park, and world-class nature. After lunch, we went to a nearby jetty to board a sightseeing canal cruise. While traveling in the cruise, we saw heritage buildings, big houses, hotels, and a number of small boats and cruise ships moving here and there. It took nearly 1.5 hours to see all these places in the city. Palace-like structures, traditional towers in buildings, arch-type and well-decorated front doors and windows of castles are all seen by us. While on board, we have really seen the history of the intricate network of waterways. Really, we had a good experience and it is a spectacular one. Then we have moved towards Dam Square after finishing Canal Cruise drive. Dam Square is a town square in Amsterdam, the capital of Netherlands. It is notable buildings and frequent events make it one of the most well-known and important locations in the city. Dam Square is a historical center. It is roughly rectangular in shape, and the west of the square is a royal palace. Near to palace is New Church and Dusser's Wax Museum. The national monument, namely a white stone pillar, was erected in 1956 to memorialize the victims of World War II, which is found in the opposite side of the square. The restaurants and shops are also available there. Several tram lines are there, and the trams have stops in the Dam Square. Sightseeing trams bring tourists and visitors to the square. Out of 80 squares in Amsterdam, Dam Square is the main town square and it is considered to be the very best and popular center of the city. While hang around the square, we are bound to come across talented musicians, dancers, and comedians who will perform in public squares. This is their livelihood, so the square has a very good number of street performers. We have also liberally given some euros to them. The various attractions like the Royal Palace, the National Monument, Dusser's Wax Museum, New Church, Ferris Wheel, Grand Hotel, numerous caves and restaurants and shops have turned the dam into a fascinating tourist stone. We have admired all these lovely and beautiful and magnificent attractions in the Dam Square. After saying goodbye to Amsterdam, we left for Belgium. So next country is Belgium. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel Neon Forge. Bye. See you all next week. Thank you.